Ijarah, it has different type of contracts. There is a normal Ijarah tashghiliyya, just Ijarah for employing some people. So you get someone, you appoint someone as an agent, he will work on your behalf. This is, you give him money, we call this ujra. But I think the question is about type of Ijarah that used in Islamic banks, like for example, lease to buy, Ijarah muntahiya bitamlik. When you buy, when you involve in a contract, the lease contract, and you rent that specific house, for example, for 4 or 5 years, and at the same time, and outside this contract, you will sign a promise, wa'ad, between you and the bank. One of you will sign it. It depends on the one who wants to buy or wants to run away from this contract. So one of you will sign a promise that he will buy or sell that commodity after specific period. So let's say you rent this house for 10 years. The bank now bought the house for 10,000. After 10 years, they made the 10,000. Now, whatever they make out of this house, it will be profit. So it's easy for the bank to give you an offer to sell you the house in very cheap price. And some people allowed, even some scholars allowed even to give it to you as a gift if they've already made their profits through your rental payments. So this is the Ijarah muntahiya bitamlik. It's a very long, complicated contract, but this is the principles of this contract, and there are some details. I don't think it's easy for the people to understand. And I always repeat this: if you want to involve in any contract with the Islamic banks, you will be questioned in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah will ask you, why did you involve in this contract? What is the best answer for you as a normal person? You are not professional in financial transactions. Even if you dig and find out, you can't understand what is halal, what's haram, because of the huge different opinions involved in this market or in this field. Do the same thing when you do with the hadith. For example, if you want to know this hadith is sahih or da'if, you check Sahih Bukhari or check Muslim or check what Albani rahimahullah said or what the specific scholars say about this. Why you ask about this? Because you trust those people. And you know those people are trustworthy, and what they say about the hadith, you will accept. So do the same. Check with the Sharia boards in that specific bank. If you know them, if you trust them, go ahead. Because they certify these contracts, and when Allah asks you in the day of judgment, say, Allah, so and so said to me, it's halal. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, فَاسْأَلُوا أَهْلَ الذِّكْرِ إِن كُنْتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. Ask the people of knowledge if you don't know. And this is exactly what you've done now. If you take a contract from a bank that is their Sharia board, well-known people, trustworthy scholars, khalas, those are people of Ahlul Dhikr, and you trusted them, and Bismillah, you can go ahead, inshallah. Wallahu a'lam.